I put the updated wire harness with the color wires, and now I'm gonna repeat the test. I'm gonna do the same measurement, basically pin 7 and 8, white wire, blue wire, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Oh, you can't see anything, can you? Here we go. Hopefully this doesn't fall, but right, white wire, blue wire, come on now, there you go. Wait, my fingers are too fat. Can you see the meter? 4.6 ohms, so that's good. In fact, this meter reads a little low. This is the meter that I've actually took the resistance check. Alright, so let's try again. Except this meter has really fat testing probes, which makes it more difficult to get in there. I can't really get... Yeah, I can't get in there because these are too fat. Let's try the front. Maybe one in the front, one in the back. No. Too thick, won't work. We'll do it with this one. We'll go one in the front, one white wire, and one in the back on the blue wire. Can you see the meter? 4.7, which is perfect. It's just like the solenoid. Come on, get in there. There it is. 4.6 over there. And if I go to the back of the solenoid, 4.6. So that's good. That means there's no resistance on the wire. That's how it should be. So I'm gonna replace that circuit board as well, and put one with the latest revision, which is an F. I believe this one is an C. Yeah, that's a C. The latest one is an F. So we'll go from there. Hopefully this fixes it.